have now is I have the 2 wrought iron slats, I have the 1084 high carbon steel in between that. Now I'm bringing it up to about 2300 degrees. So while I do that, you don't want a bunch of scale to form, because that's going to stop your metal from sticking together. You always hear people talking about oxidation, scale, delaminations from that. That's what they're talking about. So what we use is 20 mule team borax. It's a powder, just our plain laundry additive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to sprinkle it along the edges. It's going to go from a powder that's going to melt almost instantly. That will draw down in between the layers. It'll dissolve any of the impurities. And then when I go to hammer it, you'll see all sorts of molten stuff squirting out the sides. That's not molten metal. That's your flux that's dissolved all those impurities in there. So now you have clean metal surfaces that make contact, and that's when your weld happens.